Hey everyone, it's Gamer Graham here with my final review and impressions of the Maono Wave T5 Wireless lavalier mic. I've been using it for the last week while we were in London, Ontario, visiting a children's museum and some bike riding that I've done with my son this week. So you're going to see some footage coming up shortly with, you can hear it, you can see how it sounds on a busy street and with my son running and all of that and getting further away. Comfortability wise, it's barely even notice that it's there. It comes with a whole bunch of different stickers. Mine is the USB version. There is a Lightning version as well. And as you see in this unboxing video, there's the charging case with it. You got various stickers, and you have your little necklace that you can wear it hanging down with. Comes with a nice little handy little pouch with your clips. If you want to clip it on instead of magnet, it's just being held on by a magnet right now. Sound quality was really good. Really impressed with it. I was able to hear myself when I was playing back the video when I was on the bike with my son. It did pick up a little bit of background noise, but not too bad. This is with the noise reduction setting that is on. You can tell if it's on because it'll be blue. Right now it's not on, but it'll be blue on here if it is on. As well, had some issues as we got further away. It was cutting out a little bit. But realistically, for most users just vlogging or just doing like those interviews on the streets and stuff like that, very, very capable mic and is very user friendly. Link in the description will be below. You can purchase it directly from Amazon. All right, thanks for checking it out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hey everyone, it's Gamer Graham here testing out the Maono T5 wireless lavalier microphone. Just heading out to the Children's Museum in London to give it a test, see how it goes. So we're recording this at the Strong Museum, testing to see how the Maono wireless mic is working with the noise cancellation around. Hopefully you guys can hear me. I won't know until we get back. Test later on.
Children's Museum. London, Ontario's Children's Museum is the best. Everyone look. See this? It's the most beautiful tree ever. And also, it's pretty big.
So I just had my son run around with the microphone. That's probably what you were hearing, and we're going to see how that quality works later once it's all sort of said and done. It is a little noisy here, so I hope you guys can hear me okay, but we'll give full reports once we're done. It is a beautiful morning for a bike ride with my son, testing the microphone. You can probably hear the wind going through it, but hopefully with the noise reduction you're fine. Very lightweight, easy to use. Just cross. Or biking, getting closer to a busier street. Pick up any ambient sound. We're gonna go across. Good job. How's the sound? Sound pretty good? I think it does. Hey everyone, thanks again for checking out my review of the wireless Maono T5 microphone. Don't forget to give it a like and drop that subscribe. Really helps me out. Appreciate it. And again, thank you very much, Maono, for providing the microphone for review. Thanks. Take care.